Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep messages at the bottom of your Discord channels. Let's get right into it. So first, let me show you guys how it works. So if I just go down here and do question mark, it doesn't use slash commands. I don't know why, but you do question mark, stick, and then like a message you want to send. So like I'm just gonna say message and there we go, it has been sticked. Now if I just go ahead and like send a bunch of G's or something, as you can see, it updates to, it just keeps updating to the bottom of the channel. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys how you get this bot. Go to this link down, this link will be down in the description down below, and you just want to go ahead and invite this bot to your server. After you do that, you just do question mark stick like I did before, and then a message that you want to send. There also, if you do question mark help, you can also see a list of all the commands. All these right here below here are premium commands. You have to pay for them, unfortunately. Like if you wanted to change the prefix, or if you wanted to stick a poll, you would need a premium for that. If I go to utility, you can see you can make different kinds of polls. You can do polls with a question, you can do polls and then you can add your own options to it. You can do a whole bunch of other things. You can get the user's info, server info. Like I can do poll, and then I could do will the viewer subscribe, and I'll just go ahead and give that a thumbs up, why not. And then if I go over here to the fun command, as you can see, there's a whole bunch of other fun things you can do. So like for example, I can check my weather in my location. So if I do question mark weather and then my location, obviously I'm gonna have to blur my location out, but I never actually tested this though. Let's see if it's accurate. My app says it's 68 degrees, it says it's 66, so it's 2 degrees off. Can't be perfect, right? And yeah, that is the sticky bot. That is gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.